channel kidscloud.
Please subscribe to this channel kidscloud. A conversion millimeter to centimeter and centimeter to millimeter.
Hello kids. Measurements are very much important in maths as well as in our routine life. In our recent videos, we talk about the metric system of measurements and a metric ruler. Here we will discuss the conversion of millimeter to centimeter and centimeter to the millimeter. For exact measurements of smaller objects, reading a ruler is very important. You need to follow these steps while measuring with the metric or centimeter ruler. Can you tell me what you will do first while using the ruler? Okay, I will tell you. Read the ruler from left to right. While measuring any object, first align it with the 0 mark on the ruler. For accurate measurements, you have to line up ruler straight against the edge of an object to be measured. Suppose you want to measure the length of this rectangle. Then first align it with the 0 mark on the ruler. Now start the measurements once you assure that the 0 mark on the ruler align with the edge of an object you want to measure. Read along the ruler and mark the line that matches the far edge of an object. Thus, the length of this rectangle is 5 cm. In addition to this, while measuring with the ruler, it is necessary to understand the conversion of millimeter into centimeter and centimeter into millimeter. Click on our recent video about how to read a metric ruler for knowing more about it. Here we have shown 20 cm metric ruler. As we have explained before, 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each one is referred as millimeter. Thus, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. It is easy to convert millimeter into centimeter and centimeter into millimeter. Let's learn how to do it. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1/10 of centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. So, we have a relation of centimeter and millimeter as 0.1 centimeter equals 1 millimeter. It implies when you are converting centimeter into millimeter, you have to multiply the number with 10. While converting millimeter to centimeter, you have to multiply the number with 0.1. Alternatively, you can convert millimeter into centimeter by dividing millimeters with number 10. Here are some examples. Can you measure the width or thickness of this book? In millimeter, the width of this book is 8 millimeter. Now can you convert it into centimeter? So in centimeter, you have to multiply the millimeters with 0.1. This will give you the answer 0.8 centimeter. Another example. Can you measure the diameter of the mouth of this test tube in centimeter and millimeter? In centimeter, it is 1.5 centimeter. In millimeter, you have to multiply the number with 10. This will give us the answer 15 millimeter. What is the length of this screw? In centimeter, it is 3.5. While in millimeter, you have to multiply 3.5 with 10. This will give you answer 35 millimeter. Can you measure the length of this pen? Yes, you can. The length of this pen is 7 centimeter or 70 millimeter. So kids, I am sure now you can measure any small object with the ruler.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.